Neither. Because a quadratic is neither. So 1 over a quadratic is still neither. Being 1 over doesn't fix the problem.
So you can tell by just...
I can tell from just looking at it.
You can.
We can.
No, one day you can. Maybe not today. But if you use the method I showed you of checking what happens when you use minus x, you can work out.
And the exam, are we required to show?
Goodness, yes.
They won't give you a question, just like either or.
Take a guess. 50-50 chance. Well, no, neither is possible too. So, okay, continuing now. So next lesson here, we're going to look at how to compose functions.
Whoa, like this.
I suppose.
I swear you will miss me in the mood.
Do you know how ridiculous? Right, compose functions. Yes, compose as a verb has many meanings, not this meaning. So, composing functions is a way to combine functions together to make a new function, just like music. So, for example, if you have fx, let's say, equals x squared plus x, and let's say you have gx equals sine x, and you want to put these functions together to make a new function, composing is a way to do that. What you could have is, for example, f of g of x. That would be f of sine x, which would be sine x squared plus sine x. So this is a new function where it was the combination of f and g, and the way we represent this new function is with a little circle. We say f composed with g of x is this new function. So in other words, f composed with g, that just simply means f of g of x.
The one that's written second is the small one.
It's the one inside.
It's the one inside, yeah. The inner. Okay, so this is like the definition of composing here.
Can you bike on the pavement?
No, you're not allowed to. You're not supposed to.
Right on the pavement.
But
Some people do, but those people are idiots. Don't be an idiot.
no, because like some streets they don't have.
Then you cycle on the road with the cars.
Oh, next level. Do you need a license to ride a motorcycle?
Yes.
And Oman, you just do you get examined
And what
for
country are you currently in?
it? Do you get examined for it, like the?
I don't know. I'm not sure. To get the license, you'll need to do a written test and an eye test, and then after that, I don't know. But that doing the written test and the eye test is likely enough to have a learner's license, which will allow you to drive on the road.
And that's
Can I drive alone and a learner's license for a car?
Most people. I thought you were going to say for a bicycle. So I was going to say most people drive alone on a bicycle, a motorcycle. For a car, no. If you have a learner's license, you must have a person with a full license with you.
But a lot of people do drive.
They do.
Is
They
it
risk.
fine?
Yes, they risk a fine by doing so, and I have known people to be fined
How long do you have to have a learner's license?
before you can apply for the test. 6 months.
That's it?
Yes, but that's just it's. Within that 6 months, you're supposed to do things like take 10 driving lessons and other things too before you can take the test as well.
How much does the driving license cost?
The driving lessons is about 40 an hour or something.
40 an hour.
Yeah, it'll probably cost you about 400 in lessons, and then another 50 for the test. Then you want to take a lesson to prepare for the test. So, all in all, the license might cost near 1,000.
And it's only manual.
No, you can get an automatic license.
But They're very rare.
I have an automatic license because my hybrid's an automatic. Because hybrids are automatic.
So, but then if you have a manual license, you can drive both.
That's right. Yes.
Well, if you have an automatic, you can
You can
drive
drive.
both, yeah.
Yes. Yes.
And I think it's in Dubai as well. If you're a guy, you have to learn the manual.
No.
You can choose.
Yeah, you can choose. But then.
Right, like you walk in and they say, "Sorry, you're a guy. You must only drive a manual."
No, you have
Or
to
get
learn.
out.
No, you have to learn the manual.
No, it's like
No, in Iran it's
tradition.
mandatory.
No, for us it's like a tradition. They go like men drive manual, but like, now they
It's
don't
cool that you
really
drive
care.
manual. It's like
But then
Need for speed indeed.
But then in Dubai there's like so much traffic, so they can't force people to drive manual.
Yeah, I know, because manual sucks in traffic.
The
Yes.
traffic is
Okay, so that's how the compose function. Let me give you one to try. But we'll use a number, for example. So let's say f of x equals x squared and g of x equals x plus 1. So f of g of 1. So firstly, where do you put the 1? Into the g or the f first?
G.
into the G.
Into the g first. So this equals f, and if I put 1 in here, what do I get?
2
2. And then the 2
square.
goes into the f, so then this is 4. Okay, so here's another one. This is one for you to try. Let's say x squared plus 1, and then gx is 2x plus 1. And I want f of g of 2, and then g of f of 2. Now don't say it, just write it down. Just write it down. Got an answer? Can I scroll down? Guys!
Yeah, scroll down.
Hang on. Can I give the answer now? So this is f of 5.
Yep.
And f of 5 is 26. And this is g of 5. And g of 5 is 11. So do you see how f of g of 2 is not the same thing as g of f of 2? So in other words, the order is important. F composed g of x is not the same thing usually as g composed f of x. Please make note of that. Okay. Next, I want you just to find this, please, using the same f and g. And simplify your answer as well.
G.
Find what?
The formula for f composed g. And you're using the same f and g here.
Oh. Like merge the equations.
Make the equations become one. Put the one into the other. A good answer? The right answer? Where's Andrew? Where's Omar? Is he doing his SATs today or something?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow. That will be important for SATs. Do you know what score he needs to get?
Yes. It was like.
It's out of 1500, isn't it?
Yeah, we had to get above 1,100.
High enough, actually. 1,100?
He wants to go to a really good university in Germany for engineering, so he needs a high mark in math. And I heard their math is harder.
So obviously it's Germany.
No. The SAT math is harder than
Then this?
not this.
SAT math isn't that hard.
No.
The ACE level math.
I've seen SAT.
Impossible!
No. I've seen SAT maths exam questions, and they're not that bad. They're not that bad.
They're easier than I do. It's way easier than
Yeah, I think by the end of this maths for engineering course, if you had to do an SAT maths exam, you'd ace it.
Even if it's an SAT 2?
Yeah.
Yeah.
SAT 1 you don't get to choose what subjects. It's math and
Yeah.
English in one test. And then SAT 2 has math, chemistry,
Yeah.
physics and bio.
But then they all complain about how hard their math is.
No.
Oh, they're just being whiny. Don't listen to them. Right, f of 2x plus 1. Yes? That's 2x plus 1 squared plus 1. That is 4x squared plus 4x plus 2. Did you get that? Huh? Are you stopped here? Ah, no. I said simplify the answer. Right, can you do this one now? G of f of x.
Stephen.
What? What?
2
Michael!
a squared plus 2ab plus b squared.
Yes.
So isn't the a squared 2 squared x squared?
Yeah, which is 4x squared.
Yes. You again.
Very dangerous.
Faisal, please, I don't want to reintroduce the 5-second rule. Just think before you ask me questions. Just check to see if you know the answer before you ask me,
no,
okay?
I confused a bit when I did 2 times 2 squared. So I ended up with a 16. Which is not 2 times 2 squared.
No, it's not. Right, you have g of f. Let's see. So that's g of what's f? X squared plus 1, which will be 2x squared plus 1 plus 1, which is 2x squared plus 3. Okay, and you can see that these are different. Yeah? Did you get this one? What did you get? What did you get? Ah.
Is that okay, you put x plus 1, x squared plus 1, and that's the f function.
Right. Sometimes you can compose a function with itself. So for example, if you have f equals, let's say 2x plus 1, can you all try and calculate this? And I should say, they annoy me in the exam because they change sometimes they change how they write it. So we should really write it like this, but sometimes in the exam they just write it without the circle. Yeah, I don't really like that, but whatever. So can you all calculate f composed of f of x?
Can you write it
4x plus 3.
Huh?
Can you write that as
Yes.
4x plus 3.
Yes.
Let's check. 2x plus 1 plus 1, which is 4x plus 3. Okay, f composed f of x.
30.
4x plus 3 times 2.
Yes, that's right. So that's 8x plus 6 plus 7. Yeah, so plus 7. You know where this is going. F composed f of x.
What was the what?
Last one.
No.
F.
Yes.
So yeah. I'm giving you one last question on this one, which is tricky. F composed with itself n times x equals. No, write it down.
Why?
Right.
Okay.
What's wrong with this
Because my next switched.
I guess why. Got answer?
4
No.
and X
No.
2 and
Getting closer.
plus
Mm.
n times
Something I was
2
worried
and
about
X
that.
plus something.
Plus 1? F and X.
No, it's not.
Here it is. When you compose this function with itself n times, you get 2 power n of x
Yes.
plus 4n plus 1. No,
No.
minus 1.
Yeah, minus 1.
So it's still linear.
Yeah, this is right.
Right, I want to give you another one. But before I do, sorry, can I scroll down for one? No.
How do you get that?
I use my mind. So if you look here, when you have the function once, you had a 2. When you had it twice, you had a 4. 3 times is an 8. 4 times is 16. So these are 2 powers. And when you look at the back, 1, 3, 7, 15. So this is nearly 2, 4, 8, 16. No, wait, this is wrong.
Yes.
2 power n minus 1. This is the same thing as this, but its difference is just minus 1. Could have said it sooner, Lee.
X plus 1. So,
It's not this, it's this.
Right. Can I give you another one here to try?
and this?
Yes?
So,
One second.
Yes?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, I'm going to give you another one, but I want to make it first, so I don't want you to see it, because otherwise I'll ruin the surprise.
G times F.
G. 2 plus 1.
What?
One moment.
This is F. X squared plus 1. This is G.
Why did you untouch? Isn't this G just the whole thing that's here?
No. G is the
No, fx. You put this here, you put this here.
Fx dot G is here.
Okay,
And you
yeah,
want-
got it. So this is right.
GF here.
Yeah. Steven, do you know where I can
No.
From your with any of the bike places over here. Yeah.
What?
Do it for money. I don't like you.
Don't.
They really shouldn't.
I'm in the middle of
But
something.
like, I won't think they charge more than 2 euros. Why then do you put the euro back? And the petrol station in Amman, there is an air machine and the water machine.
Hang on, I'm thinking.
I have like a small like
Yeah.
this way. I'll get it.
My point is,
I don't like it. This is like 4 foot. Thank you. Yeah.
Right, I think I have something interesting here.
Yeah. 200.
Yes, I do have something interesting. Okay, have a look at this one now. Have a look at this one now. I want you to calculate f compose f of x. F compose f compose f of x.
And then
Why
find-
fractions?
See, you didn't show us this one before.
F compose 100 times x.
Do we
What?
put the function in both the x's?
What do you think?
Yes, we do. But this will make it a long question.
I made this especially for you, okay? Especially for you. No gratitude, no appreciation for my function I just made up.
Functionality.
Exactly. Complain. Moan.
Oh, no, that
Good one, yeah? See, he gets it. He appreciates me.
Are we making another...
You like it?
Are we making another fire mixtape?
Oh yeah.
No.
Isn't it?
We can.
We have to simplify.
Yes.
I mean...
I feel like I'm being tricked.
Good feeling to have. Right, let's have a look.
Yeah, this is
F compose f of x equals x over x minus 1, x over x minus 1, minus 1. So what I'll do, no, you don't need to record this. X over x minus 1, and this is 1 over 1. This is x minus 1. This is x minus x plus 1. They cancel. You're left with x over 1, which is x. So it simplifies to x.
They cancel.
Yeah, I'll just put a little 1 here. That one cancels with that one, and these two just cancel because they're minus there. Yes? Now, let's look at B. F compose f of x. That's equal f of, and I'll put it in red here, f composed f of x. But we actually know what the answer, yeah, what is it?
2x.
No, this one. It's just x. It's the same as the original. In other words, when you have 3 of them, you get the original, and when you have 2 of them, you get x.
Boring.
Not boring, it's brilliant. So if you have 100 of them, what would you finish up with?
X.
X.
Way boring.
Lee liked it. Didn't you, Lee? Yeah? See? You like?
We have a breakdown of this. 1 hour.
Okay, I just want to give you one more. And it won't be hard like this. But again, I want to make a special one for you. Just for you guys. And this will be the last one now. Let's see.
I wrote this in 2012. We have an amazing ability to forget everything, but we can't forget the ones that we want to forget.
Deep.
2012. I used to write try tomorrow with 2 and then tomorrow. Oh, this was 2011.
More with two?
Tomorrow, 2
Yeah.
tomorrow. That was so cool.
Now hang on, you're confusing me. Okay.
Oh, Mr. Steven.
What? No, please, I'm trying to make you something here.
Yeah, after you finish.
Right, after I finish, right. Just give me one moment.
Tomorrow's first statement.
Tomorrow.
Yeah?
Cool.
This Friday. Tomorrow's Saturday.
What time do we have to be there?
I have to be there before all of you because I have responsibilities.
Whoa, whoa, so dangerous.
That's like, bro, didn't choose this right chose.
Yeah. Good on you, take it.
Oh, I don't know if this is gonna work.
You know, it helps, like, the top of your legs.
Right,
Like, the part where it helps you because you're sitting. Like,
listen.
جوا حصاويك. Yeah.
I'll write it up on the board now. Here, to finish, I want this function, I want you to calculate f compose f of x. This will be the last one now.
Let's play, watch this.
Right, but do this one as I'm
I'll do
watching.
it.
It's not dirty, is it?
No.
Okay.
Show him the thing.
No.
Oh, yes.
In Scotland, they have tried voice recognition technology. No, they don't do Scottish accents. 11.
Could you
Oh.
please repeat that?
11. 11. You need to try an American accent. 11. 11. Irish. America. Isn't it? Where in America is that? Dublin.
I'm sorry. Could you please repeat that?
Try an English accent. 11. 11. Using the same Bar Island as Dick Van Dyke.
Please speak slowly and clearly.
If you don't understand the lingo, away back here in your own country. Ooh. Is that talk now, is it? Oh, don't start, Mr. Bleeding Heart. How can you be racist to a laugh?
Please speak slowly and clearly.
11. 11. Does it say it the same line? You want to teach students who understand Scottish, alright? 11. 11. What's the name? Anyone in your town?
This is a voice-activated elevator. Please state which floor you would like to go to in a clear and calm manner.
Calm. Where's that coming from? Why are you telling people to be calm? Because if you that was telling us the Scottish people would be going up for nuts.
You have not selected a floor.
Aye, we have. 11.
If you would like to get out of the elevator without selecting a floor, simply say, "Open the doors, please."
Please. Suck my mommy.
Dude.
Open the doors, please. Please. Pathetic.
Please remain calm.
What do you want out tonight? Hey, just wait for it to speak.
You have not selected a floor.
Stop! You'll get out! Scotland! 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 Scotland!
Where'd you get this stuff from?
Facebook.
Good old Facebook. Now, did you get an answer for this?
Yeah.
Minus 1.
Minus 1.
What did you get? X? I don't know if
Minus
it's
X. I got minus X.
Alright, let's see what we get then.
That's minus 1.
This is x plus 1 over x minus 1 plus 1 over x plus 1 over x minus 1. No, minus 1. Over 1 over 1.
Don't these cancel?
No. This is x minus 1, and here that's x plus 1 plus x minus 1, and here this is over x minus 1, and that's x plus 1 minus x plus 1. Yes? Which equals, what's that now? 2x on the top over x minus 1 over 2 over x minus 1. This equals x. Very good.
Can you
Could you
zoom out?
zoom out?
I have a question.
Now, just before we finish, I just think these functions are interesting ones because it means that when you use the function twice, you end up with the value you had at the beginning. So, for example, let's say I have, pick a number for x equals 2, okay? So if I calculate f of it once, I get 2 plus 1, which is 3, over 2 minus 1. So 3 over 1 is 3. So now I get 3. And then if I use the function again, 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 over 3 minus 1. I end up back at 2. It's interesting because these functions, when you apply them twice, you end up with what you start with. So it's almost like the function can cancel itself when used twice. I just think it's quite interesting. So it doesn't.
If this makes a sequence or a series, what would it be called?
If it made a sequence,
Yeah. Like converging, diverging.
periodic will be the best description of this,
Not
because
recurrent?
it is well. It depends which way you do it. Like if you have the third term as being the function applied 3 times, what would that be?
3.
It'd be x plus 1 over x minus 1, because these two cancel themselves to leave you with only x
Yeah.
going into the original f. We actually will talk about these properties more in the next class. We're kind of hinting at something here called inverse of a function, where you want to cancel the function. Yeah?
Nice.
Now, please no go and Super Saiyan in my class. Again, remember, I'm leaving this into your capable hands. You need to decide how many you need to do, and of course you need to do them. I'm not checking this because I'm treating you like adults. Yes, I know it's a mistake, a big mistake, but you need to learn how to study and do things for yourself. I realise I probably sound like your parent when I'm saying this too.